Go do it. Pull up high. He's relentless. This dog is relentless, man.
You have to get this one.
Go get the sled. Go get the sled. Go on, bro. And he dies. Look at him.
He will not let go of that fucking thing.
Oh my god, he won't stop.
What are you doing?
Ralph, it's over there. Ralph.
As soon as he sees that pink thing, he's gonna run for you. Look, he's looking for it.
Over here, look. Look.
Squeeze it, sure. Oh, he's seen it. He's gone. Get it.
Why?
He's more gentle with Shark. He's a gentleman, isn't he? Do you want a girl dog or a boy dog?
I want this one.
You want a girl dog or a boy dog?
Oh my god.
He's going for it. He's going for it. Get her.
You're right, isn't
Look at him. He's attacking. He's attacking now. That's the type of dog I want. Get her. Get her. He's so hyper.
Hey, come here. Come on. Let's go. Get over here. You're fine.
Oh shit! He's shitting.
he? Yeah, I do like him. He's gonna be fun.
You guys, I'm so tired.
Oh, we have to get a dog. We have to. There's no way about it. We're getting a house.
And I like his ears. Look how floppy his ears are. Floppy ears.
Wait, you guys have to get this one.